This is a used 2009 Ford F-150. Powered by rear-wheel drive, a 4.6-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include steering wheel controls, alloy rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats, air conditioning, power windows, power mirrors, power steering. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Bill Hood Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1500 North Morrison Boulevard, Hammond, Louisiana 70401.